Australian dollar reaches the top of its range. Before we start, a quick word from XNES, our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The Australian dollar has been somewhat hesitant to continue going higher on Thursday, which should not be a huge surprise considering we are at the top of the overall consolidation phase that the market has been in for some time. So, with that being said, I think you have to look at this through the prism of a market that is just simply going back and forth. So, I'm not a huge fan of putting a ton of money into this market, but I think if you're a short-term back and forth kind of range-bound trader, this might be your market. Quite frankly, the 0.67-ish area has offered pretty significant resistance. And underneath, we have the 0.6550 level offering massive support. So with all of that being said, I like the idea of just simply taking a small position and going back and forth in this market as there is no real directionality at the moment. This does make a certain amount of sense considering that the Australian dollar, of course, is a risk-on currency, and at the same time, the Federal Reserve seemingly is going to keep its monetary policy tight no matter what. So with that, I think you have to look at this as a market that just doesn't have anywhere to be. Once we break out of this little rectangle we're in, then fine. We may get 100 pip move in one direction or the other, but right now it just doesn't look ready. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.